Here's a quick comparison between OpenCode and Claude Code. OpenCode is an AI coding agent built for the terminal. It is fully open source, giving your control and freedom to use any provider, any model, and any editor. So it is like a website that you can actually go ahead and see different codes that you can use. As you can see, it has a native TUI, which a responsive native themable terminal UI, and an LSP enable, which automatically loads the right LSPs for you. On the other hand, Claude.com or Claude AI is built for hackers that unleash raw power directly in your terminal. You can search million-line code bases instantly and turn hours-long workflows into a single command. Your tools, your over workflow. So as you can see, this is very easy to use if you start a very simple. Now let's start with the table of comparison. For the feature, for the model compatibility, OpenCode is a model agnostic, which supports OpenAI, Google Grok, and more. For the Cloud Code, it is an Anthropic exclusive specifically designed for and utilizes Anthropic models like Claude, Sonnet, and Opus. For availability and cost, open source is generally free, and then Claude is a Pro or Max subscription. For focus architecture, OpenCode is a terminal native TUI, and Claude is an agentic coding tool. So if you like something more affordable and if you are still starting, you can go ahead and avail the open code. But if you are a professional and you wanted to more a high resolution edit, you can edit the Claude code.